Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Get Creative with Priyanshu. As you all know, the wedding season is just around the corner and I am sure कि आपकी भी कोई होगा जिसके लिए आपको तैयारियां करनी होगी. तो आज हम सीखेंगे ड्राई फ्रूट्स पैकिंग आइडियाज़. So let's begin. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe my videos. Thank you.